Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, uMaxele is trying to convince uAbo ukuthi ubaba wakhe uMusa is fine. I don't know if she was aware ukuthi uMusa spilled out isifuba sakhe to uAbongwe and told uAbongwe ukuthi akekho right and that he is quite frankly tired. Maybe guys, that's one of the things of being a mother is that you want to shield your children from certain things that you feel like they should not be carrying the burden of. Because uMaxele, I mean, she took the decision of not telling uAbongwe ukuthi uMusa uyagula, and you can see ukuthi uAbongwe and uMusa, they really do have a special relationship, guys. I feel like it's kind of different from the relation, not kinda, it's extremely different from the relationship that uMusa has with Mpumelelo. Now, on the conversation that they had on yesterday's episode, the conversation that uMusa and uAbongwe had, uMusa says ukuthi the relationship he has no Abongwe, guys, that it's a very good one, and he feels like uAbongwe listens to his advice. He went on to say ukuthi like, I can't wait ukuthi esikoleni so that you can help me out as well. It just made me think ukuthi, according to my knowledge, I know ukuthi Abongwe, she's studying something to do with filming or production or something like that. So I just thought to myself that maybe uMusa had told uAbongwe ukuthi you can see ukuthi the money here kwamselegu, people love content here. So I want to make sure ukuthi you go and study something where you're going to be working here in the family business and not outsourcing money to other producers. You can do that as Mselegu. According to my knowledge, the only person who's kind of doing that at the moment is uThobile. uThobile seems to be involved in some sorts of production of these shows, and maybe she's getting paid out of it. So I think that's a very smart move, you guys, to make sure ukuthi, because the money is here, the content is here within the Mselegu family, so you make sure ukuthi ingane zakhona, they are studying things that you know very well the money's still going to stay within KwaMselegu. And that's if my thoughts or my analysis on the matter is right. But anyway, you guys, you can see ukuthi Musa, he felt comfortable to cry in front of his child. He felt comfortable to tell her, ukuthi, I'm tired and listen, I'm not okay. He even goes on to say, ukuthi, listen, if I have to die, I know I have to die. And then uMaxele ngalana, she's like, no, Abo, alrighty and whatnot. I'm just like, I feel like uMaxele maybe has not grasped the responsibility that uAbongwe is going to have to play in this family. Now that uMusa is still alive, guys, it might not be apparent because uMusa, he's a very hands-on man when it comes to his family. But I think uMusa sees it too, sees what we see, ukuthi uAbongwe is capable of leading this family. In terms of how level-headed she is, I think, according to me, she would do a way better job than Mpumelelo, than leading people out of being bossy or out of they must fear you. So I think if uMusa, he did say ukuthi he has taught her, he has instilled whatever in her. I do think she has the capability, you guys, and the discipline to continue the legacy that uMusa has been trying to build for this family. And unfortunately, as a mother, sometimes it's difficult for you to swallow that because that's a big responsibility. And another thing we don't speak about, which is Tembin, guys, when the kids are still small, you have many siblings, but when children grow up, there's now the fighting of I don't want to say the fighting of positions, but there is some sort of unsaid jealousy that goes on. So maybe uMaxele wants her children not to be involved with that. We can see uMaxele, she's very protective over her children, even with Uluandle. She doesn't want Uluandle to be taking up the responsibility that Mpumelelo has taken up already. So maybe uMaxele, guys, she's going to have to ukuthi avule inhliziyo yakhe and accept ukuthi uAbongwe is going to have to take up a position in this family that she might not be comfortable with, a position that might get uAbongwe hated by some people or not liked by other people. But if uMusa is willing to open up up that much to her. That means ukuthi he does see the capability of her leading this family. Now, Abongwe does say kuma wakhe ukuthi, yeah, shuti umusa or shutu baba when he's with you guys, he is fine. But clearly, she says in a diary session ukuthi mina, I can see everything for myself. Angazi ukuthi yindaba esangitshena ukuthi uma esangitshena ukuthi ubaba alright. And I just really hope Wapongwe doesn't get angry at her mother for that, because I think it's just a motherly thing to protect your child. But the reality is, guys, ukuthi sometimes when your child is called for a leadership position, there's certain things you're just going to have to take a back seat on. But all I'm saying, guys, like Umusa, at this point, we also lost night ukuthi most of us inhliziyo zethu, guys. Yes, Umusa is not a perfect man, but the state he's in, guys, it is not a good state. And sometimes when a person's not okay, guys, I just think you have to be sympathetic towards him. And I think this is now the time where the wives must be a little bit more lenient on him. Abamnikeza number 5 wakhe, guys. Abamnikeza number 5 wakhe because lo muntu uzifunela number 5 wakhe. Anyway, that's what we will be seeing on tonight's episode. The scene of Umatsele and Abongwe speaking about Umusa's condition, or just touching on Umusa's condition and going to the beach to pray for him. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys in the next one.